Learning frameworks and libraries can be daunting at first, but with structured approach, it becomes manageable and even enjoyable. Here is a straightforward guide on how to approach learning them effectively. First, understand the purpose and scope. Before diving into any framework or library, take some time to understand its purpose and where it fits in the development ecosystem. Frameworks like React or libraries like TensorFlow serve specific functions such as building user interface or implementing machine learning algorithms. Knowing their scope helps you grasp their potential applications and limitations. Second, start with basics. Begin learning by focusing on the foundational concepts. Most frameworks and libraries have official documentation of tutorials designed to introduce beginners. These resources often cover essential concepts or topics like installation, basic syntax, and core features. Starting with the basics allows you to build a solid understanding before moving on to more advanced topics. Third thing is hands-on practice. Theory alone isn't enough. Practical experience is crucial. Create smaller projects or experiments where you can apply what you have learned. For example, if you are learning a front-end framework like Java or JSP, try building a simple interactive web page. Likewise, for data processing library like Pandas in Python, practice manipulating datasets. Hands-on practice helps solidify your understanding and problem-solving skills. Fourth, explore real-world example. Look for real-world example or case studies that demonstrate how frameworks or libraries is used in actual application. GitHub repositories, open source projects, and online forums often provide valuable insights and code snippets. Analyzing these examples not only exposes you to different ways of using the tool, but also helps you learn best practices and common pitfalls. Fifth one is stay updated and engage with community. Technology evolves rapidly, so staying updated with the latest development in your chosen framework or library is important. Follow official blogs, newsletter, or community forums where developers discuss new features, updates, and emerging trends. Engaging with the community also gives you opportunities to ask questions, seek advice, and learn from others' experiences. Approaching learning frameworks and libraries require patience and persistence. It's okay to encounter challenges along the way. Debugging issues and overcoming obstacles are an integral part of learning process. By building strong foundation, practice regularly, exploring example, and staying connected with community, you will gradually become proficient in using frameworks and libraries to build robust applications. Remember, the journey of learning is continuous, and each new skill you acquire enriches your development toolkit.